The rust is critical here, likely affecting the drivetrain.
We'll need a full structural scan to assess the axle damage.
The crack in this mounting point goes deep. The corrosion is worse than we thought.
Check the eye sockets for similar stress.
The eye lights are completely gone. We'll need new sockets.
Check the wiring bundle behind the cheek plate, it's shredded.
Corroded brackets, broken mechanical connections.
All right, team, let's start with the front axles. Look for hairline cracks in the suspension. Got it, looks like significant corrosion here. Exactly, let's see if we can get a readout. On it, boss.
The rust damage on these hydraulic lines is severe.
I'm seeing significant corrosion on the frame rails too.
We'll need specialized equipment for this repair.
All right, team, secure the front axle first.
Copy that, boss. Setting up the winch.
And someone get eyes on those eye lights.
The rust is heavier here. Check the supports.
Found severe corrosion on the hydraulics. Structural integrity compromised beneath the box. Secure the hydraulic winches to the front axles.
Yes, leader, winch is securing.
Attach the lifting equipment to the rear chassis. Watch the rust.
Confirm all connections.
Connection secure, leader.
Engage primary winches. Maintain slow tension.
Keep it steady. Watch the clearance on the right.
Copy that. Moving it in.
Perfect. Set it down. All right, team, let's start with the cab.
Copy that.
Pressure check, clear. Fire up the hoses.
Initiating pressure wash.
Perfect. Take off that grime.
Looking good, boss.
Keep the pressure consistent there. Roger. And watch those edges. The primary brushes are engaged.
Status check on the drive axles.
Looks good so far, holding to specs. Keep it steady, aim for the deep crevices. Affirmative, leader. The mouth is clearing, good. Look at the damage under that grime. All right, team, hit those brackets.
Got it.
Focus on the connections here, they're worse than I thought. Keep the speed steady on the undercarriage. Noted. Stop, machine's off. Affirmative, shutting down. All right, the cleaning is done. Now let's get this beast ready for mechanical disassembly. Copy that, boss. We're on it. Ensure the attachments are perfectly aligned.
Copy that. Adjusting now.
Verified. Proceed with the lift. Initiating lift.
Engaging lifters. Keep it steady. Watch the hydraulic lines.
Copy that. Coming up slowly.
Stop. Inspect the corrosion.
Confirmed. Noted for repair.
All right, hydraulics are clear.
Checking the electrical. Main mounts are loose, boss. Hold. Ease it down, nice and slow.
Affirmative. Watch the left.
Perfect. Secure it to the platform. Let's start the diagnostic. The intake valves are fouled, and the secondary line's about to blow.
Copy that. Check the manifold pressure. Secure the primary chains at lugs 4 and 6. Confirmed. Primary chain secured. Adjust that secondary point. We need full tension. Getting it now. Clear the area. Initiate lift.
All right, engage the main hoist. Let's start the pull, nice and steady.
Copy that, boss. Lifting.
Watch that clearance on the right. Keep it steady. Down slowly. All right, lowering now. Perfect. Secure it. All clear. Good job, team. The intake manifold hoses are completely fused, and we need the high-pressure cutter.
Got it. Bring it over here.
I'm documenting the corrosion on this bracket now. The corrosion here is extensive.
It's worse than we thought. I'll get the scope.
Yes, check the wear on the pistons, too. This demon needs a new heart.
Keep spraying. That grease is stubborn. Need more degreaser over here. All right, it's starting to look good.
Keep working that pulley. The stubborn rust on the housing needs another pass.
On it, boss.
Good, let's make this demon shine.
Keep it steady. Lower it slowly. Almost there. Careful of the fumes. Looks like it's taking hold. Excellent.
The chemical reaction is perfect. It's lifting years of corrosion already.
Excellent work. Should we increase the flow rate?
No, maintain current levels. We don't want to compromise the integrity. Perfect. Looks great, leader. Good work, team. Secure the turbocharger housing
Got it.
and bring over the injector rail. Keep it steady there, team.
Almost locked in.
Perfect. We're on track. Thanks, everyone. Secure that hose fitting tight.
Right away.
Attach the filter now. On it. Excellent. All systems are good to go.
verified connections and torque specs.
Perfect. Approve it for installation. All right, team. The engine is prepped and ready. Initiate the lift. Copy that, boss. Watch your clearances. Keep focusing on that frame rail.
Understood.
We need this section reinforced properly. Measure twice, fit once, people.
Looks solid, boss. We're locking it down.
Keep the arc steady, cover the entire seam. Copy that, moving to the rail. The weld is strong and the grind is clean.
Looks good, boss.
Outstanding work. Let's prep it for coating. All right, team, focus on the rear axle first. Copy that, boss. It's heavily corroded. We'll rebuild everything. It'll be even stronger than before. The joints are clean.
All right, ready with the new hardware.
Perfect. Replace these bolts and check the mounting points. On it. The corrosion is severe here. Looks like bearing hasn't been serviced in decades. All right, lube's good. New bearings are installed and seated. Verified. Let's get this mounted. Keep working on that rim. It's coming along.
Right on it, almost done here.
Needs a little more pressure in this spot. The suspension assemblies and wheel hubs are secure. Check the mechanical mounting points one last time. Yes, leader, it's ready for the next stage. Cut along the lower jaw line. Technician B.
Copy that.
Technician C, follow the guide mark on the eye socket.
On it.
The corroded shielding is thinner than we thought. Yes, but the internal bracing is solid. Perfect. Proceed with structural integrity checks. Line it up perfectly. Tighten that seam.
Looks good, boss.
Excellent work, team. We're back in business. All right, technicians, grind down those corroded mounts
On it, ma'am.
and grab that new support beam. Careful.
Ready when you are.
Excellent.
The alignment looks perfect. Good work, team.
Thanks, boss. She's ready to roll. Secure the jaw structure. Check the alignment of the new teeth. Excellent. That's a perfect fit. The spacing looks good here.
Understood, leader.
Prepare the next tooth for installation. Secure the bracket, then check the structural integrity.
Almost there. Looking good.
Perfect. It fits. Now for the final adjustments. Continue the alignment, ensure smooth and controlled movement.
Checking the connections now, leader. Solid alignment achieved.
Perfect. Lower the platforms.
The structure holds perfectly. Now, let's prep for finishing.
Carefully now, don't damage the frame. We need that structure cleaned completely.
Copy that, boss. Suction on.
Good. Focus on the wiring harnesses first. Make sure you get that vent on the upper left. It's still dirty.
Copy that, boss.
Much better. Nice work, team.
The corrosion on the upper brackets is heavy. We need to reinforce this structural beam immediately.
Understood.
Starting the weld now.
All right, team. Let's start with the gauge cluster and wiring.
Understood. Careful with these connections. They're brittle.
Working on the controls now.
Excellent progress. Let's install the steering wheel and shifter now.
On it, boss.
Make sure that line is secured tight.
Copy that. Looks good, boss.
Excellent. Moving on to power. The mounting points are secure. They're ready for installation. Understood, leader. Let's get them in place. Perfect. Mind the alignment.
Line it up with the mounts.
Got it.
Secure it down, please.
All right, let's test it.
Perfect. Looks good to go.
All right, team. Wiring looks solid. Now, let's get that seat in place.
Affirmative, boss.
The dashboard and controls are perfect. Ready for calibration.
Copy that, boss. Wiring checks complete and systems are green.
Outstanding. Let's get this beast connected. Ensure the alignment is perfect.
Got it?
Looks good from here. Secure it now.
Ensure the wiring is secure.
We're ready for the power test.
Activate the systems.
The left eye assembly looks secure. Check the mounting points on the right.
Good alignment on this side.
Line it up right here. The angle needs to match the original curvature.
Got it. Adjusting now.
Perfect. Resume grinding carefully. The mandibular hinge requires precise reinforcement here.
We'll grind out the fracture, then fit the new plate securely.
Prep the welder, keep the heat shield ready.
Keep it smooth.
Almost there.
Check this tooth. Excellent work, team. Let's make sure that right horn matches the perfection of this one. Rog, boss. Ready when you are. Secure the lines here. Looks good.
Copy that.
Check the pressure on this fitting. All right, team, the chassis is ready. Let's begin the final assembly.
Copy that.
On it. Keep the pressure steady. We need that corrosion completely gone. On it, boss.
Cut the panel clear, slowly. Watch the support beam there. Verified. Lifting now.
All right, measure twice, fit once on this one.
Bringing it up now.
Watch the alignment with the frame.
Looks good. Clamping it now. Ensure the seams are perfect. Understood. Leader. Seams are solid. Keep it steady there.
Almost done, boss.
Secure that corner brace. We need maximum load capacity.
Finish the reinforcement.
Keep the pressure steady on the back wall.
All right, moving to the floor.
Good. Hit that seam. Let's get it clean. The weld looks good. Let's keep smoothing it out.
Copy that.
Perfect. We're ready for the primer.
Got it.
Excellent work on the braces. Check the hydraulic lines and replace any corroded fittings.
Copy that.
Moving to hydraulics. The seams are holding. Let's move to the floor.
Copy that.
Check the mounts. The cargo body is structurally complete.
She's solid.
Ready for prep. Keep working that jawline. We need a mirror finish there.
Roger that.
That's looking better. Next, let's address the teeth on the driver's side. The finish here is excellent, but we need to refine the contour around the eye housing.
Copy that. Moving to refine the contour now.
Keep it smooth along the jawline.
All right.
We need to make sure every panel is perfect before the paint team gets here. Keep working on that wheel arch until it's perfectly smooth.
Yeah.
Got it. I'm focusing on the lower body too. The cheekbone here needs more attention. It's too rough.
Yes, leader.
Good. Let's move on to the trailer section next. Focus on the welds. Keep working on those panels.
Yes, ma'am.
We need them perfectly level before the paint job. Excellent work. The finish is perfect. It's ready for paint. The beast is ready. Let the transformation begin. The eyes are covered. Moving on to the rest.
Looks solid, boss.
Just one more check, then we prime. Let's do this. All right, team, the kings of the road are ready. Let's make this base coat perfect.
Understood, boss. Everything's prepped.
Initiating spray sequence.
The black paint is looking perfect. Excellent work. Almost ready to roll out.
Keep the coverage even on the lower sections. Initiating final pass on the chassis. Verified. Moving to the trailer.
The finish is perfect. Move it out. Copy that. Prep for transport.
Excellent. This masking around the teeth is perfect.
Got it.
And the horns look precise. Great job, everyone. Ensure the finish is flawless. Copy that. Perfect. It looks incredible. The golden trim adds just the right touch.
Absolutely, boss.
Perfect. Done. The paint is flawless. We are ready to roll. Excellent work. Looks spectacular. The finish is perfect. Send the lifts up. Looks flawless, boss. The contrast is excellent. Ensure the gold line is razor sharp.
Yes, ma'am.
We need perfection on this build. Excellent. Now, check the lug nuts before we lock them in.
Keep it steady. Watch the horns. Slowing it down now. All right, perfect. Lower it. Slow. Watch the angle. Ready on the right. Down just a hair. Locked. Torquing now.
Make sure the pressure is steady on the hydraulic line. Secure that fastener completely.
Done.
All right, team, looks good. Stand down. All right, hook up the chains. Careful, we've got a tight fit.
Looks secure. Ready to lift.
Slow and steady. Move it toward the chassis.
Watch the clearance on the right. Slowly.
Easy now.
Just a little lower. Perfect.
Locks engaged. Good to go.
Excellent. Stand by for testing.
Secure the forward mounts. Tighten those rear chains now.
Sir, forward is locked. Rear secured.
Verified. Engage the lift. Keep it steady. Look at those connections. They're worse than I thought. Copy that. Lifting slowly.
Disconnect the primary hydraulic hoses now. Copy that. Starting disconnect. Status on the electrical wiring. Wiring is clean. Moving to mechanical points.
Keep it steady. Guide it in. Careful now.
Clear.
Slow. Stop.
We've got it.
Perfect. Secure it. The damage is extensive. We need to replace these hoses and the corroded brackets immediately. Understood. Let's get the pneumatic wrenches.
Secure the chains on the starboard side, boys.
Tightening now, boss.
That's it. Let's pull this beast out.
Keep it steady. Watch the left clearance.
Clear on the left.
Lifting slowly. Good. Take it back towards the bay. Keep it steady. Just a few inches left. Lower.
Roger.
Perfect. Set it down. Engine is secured. Careful with that manifold.
Right, boss.
Grab the cleaning solvent for the corroded bracket. Analyze the damage here. I want that gear pulled immediately for machining.
Affirmative.
On it. Excellent work, team. Let's make sure these horns shine like the morning sun.
On it, boss.
Don't forget the mechanical teeth.
All right, let's hit these hubs one last time. Keep that spray away from the wiring. Looking good, nearly finished.
The eye housings are perfect, and the surrounding armor has never looked better. Amazing work. It's perfect, every detail.
The best work we've ever done.
This machine is ready to go.
Systems check initiated. Power transfer complete. Main ignition engaging. Standby for startup.
Systems initializing. Optimal performance.
We got it. She did it.
Now that's what I call a restoration. Perfection.
She's a monster.
And she's ready to roll.
It's magnificent. Unbelievable.
We did it, boss.
Kings of the road, indeed.
It lives. Unbelievable. Kings of the road. That's what I'm talking about.
She's finally done. Incredible work, team. Kings of the road.